Hello, we continue with the string methods. As you remember, last time we run this code and it displays Bilal has 5 letters. So we get the 5 from the length method. So let's write some other methods. So let's say the string is Bilal Gonen, first name and last name. So if I want to display the first name is Bilal and I want to say last name is Gonen, how can I get the first name from this? If I know where the space character is located, I can say anything that comes before the space character is the first name. Any letters that comes after the space character is the last name. First of all, I need to know the location of the space character. Here I say system out print line, and here I can say index of space, and let me concatenate. So this plus sign is concatenation operator, and I can say str dot index of, and here index of what? Index of space character. As you see, between the double quotations I put one space character. So let's see what is display. Okay, index of space is 5. Yes, that is correct. If you consider the index of B is 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then index of space character is 5. That is correct. So how can I use this information? Let me assign it to a integer. So in here I can say int index space, index of space, and in here I declare a variable which is index of space, and also I can assign any number, for example 44. But instead of hard coding means I put a number directly. Instead, I should get this number from the method. So here, let me just take this one from here, drag to here. str.index of. This method returns an integer number, which is the index of space character. It returns number 5, and I assign this 5 into this variable. So after that I can display index space. Let me save it and run it. Okay, index of space is 5. So how can I use this one? I want to get all of the letters until this index. So to do that, I can say system out print, instead of print line, let me say print. I can say first name. Let me put one space character. Okay, and then first name. So what is the first name? Let me just do this. System, actually let me say string, first name. Okay, Okay, first name. So what is the first name? I can say str dot substring. As you see here, there are two types of substring methods. One of them takes only one integer, one parameter. It means start from here and take everything until the end of the string. So the other one takes two parameters, begin index and index. So here substring, I select this one, begin index. I want to begin from the first character, which is 0. The index of the b is the 0. And then second parameter should be index of space. When we take the substring, it will start from 0. It will go all the way to the 5, but it will not include the 5. So the index 5 will be excluded. So if the parameters are 0 and 5, the characters that will be taken will be indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I use 0 and 1, then how many characters would it return? It would return only one character, because if you say 0 and 1, 0 is included, but 1 is not included. Okay, so here index space is 5. So this will return 5 letters, which is the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, okay, so the first name will have a value. So let's display that. System out print line actually let me just cut and paste from here. So first name, and in here let me just comment this out, and here I can just use plus sign first name. Let me save it and run it. Okay, first name is Bilal. So now let's get the last name. How do I get the last name? Let me declare a string object, string last name, and here we do a similar operation, str dot substring. In this case, instead of taking this one, I select this method, substring, and it takes only one index, one parameter. So the begin index should be not 5 but 6, because index of the space character is 5, but I want to start from the G. So index of the G is 6. So that means instead of just typing 6 here, I say begin index, which is 5 in our example, plus 1. When I do that, it means starting from index 6, take all of the characters until the end of the string. So not begin index, it should be index space. Okay. And after assigning this string to last name, let's display that. I will just copy and paste this part. So instead of first name, let me say last name, and in here last name. Let's compile it and run it. Okay, so here let's, instead of print, let me say print line. Okay, it is much better. So first name is Bilal and last name is Gonen. I hope this is clear to everybody, and see you at the next video.